The 2026 MAN TGS RV represents a significant advancement in the realm of expedition vehicles, combining state-of-the-art engineering with luxurious living accommodations. Built upon the robust MAN TGS 26.5406x6 chassis, this RV is designed to excel in both urban and off-road environments. Its powerful 540 horsepower engine ensures exceptional performance across various terrains, while an advanced suspension system enhances stability and comfort. The integration of cutting-edge technology, including automated drivetrain controls and adaptive traction management, further solidifies its position as a premier option for overland travelers seeking reliability and capability. Internally, the vehicle is crafted to provide a refined and highly functional living space. The expansive interior features a sophisticated layout with premium materials, ergonomic seating, and advanced climate control systems. The kitchen is equipped with modern appliances, such as induction cooktops and high-capacity refrigeration units, allowing for efficient meal preparation even in remote locations. Additionally, the sleeping arrangements cater to diverse needs, with a spacious master bedroom and supplementary sleeping quarters designed for family members or guests. Beyond its structural and comfort-oriented attributes, the 2026 MAN TGS RV is engineered for long-term sustainability and off-grid living. Its energy system includes high-capacity lithium-ion batteries, solar panels, and a diesel generator, ensuring continuous power availability in remote areas. Water filtration and storage systems contribute to self-sufficiency, while robust insulation and weatherproofing enable year-round usability in extreme climates. The off-road capabilities are enhanced through a torsion-free mounted body, reinforced protective elements, and an advanced all-wheel drive system.